We didn't know who we wanted to use to refurbish our pool, so we asked around, had a few companies come over. We were very happy with the reception that we got from the Diffazur representative. He took us around, showed us other pools that they'd done, and that gave us peace of mind because we could see the quality of the way the things are done and be able to choose the colours that we wanted to use in our pool. As you can see, most of everything that we've got here is black and white. The whole house is in black and white. So we wanted tiles, grey tiles. We didn't want to have a standard blue pool. So unless we could see them in situ, we wouldn't be able to make our minds up. So that was a good thing. They took us around, showed us the other pools, and we could make our decision. As far as the work's concerned, everything was quick and efficient. So I can certainly recommend Diffazur if you're looking to install or refurbish a pool for yourselves.